In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notifications in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Notifications can really make or break your experience in Slack. If you're not careful, you might find yourself overwhelmed by pings and alerts. But don't worry, I'll guide you through some easy steps to tailor them to work for you. First, let's open your preferences. To get started, you'll want to click on your profile icon, which you can find in the bottom left corner of the Slack desktop interface. Once you click that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, select Preferences. This will take you to a new window where all the magic happens. Now, once you're in your preferences, the next step is to choose what alerts you want to receive. Head over to the Notifications tab. Here, you'll find options for how you want to be alerted when certain messages come in. There are a couple of options for coverage style. The first is direct messages, mentions, and keywords. This is the recommended setting if you want to drastically cut down on the noise while still ensuring that you see messages meant just for you. On the other hand, you also have the option for all new messages. However, I would only recommend this if you're in a tiny workspace and genuinely need to see every single post. Otherwise, you might get overwhelmed by the constant notifications. Now let's move on to syncing your desktop and mobile triggers. Still in the Notifications section, scroll down a bit. Here, you'll be able to fine-tune your mobile push notifications. It's a great feature that allows you to set it so your phone only buzzes for new notifications after you become inactive on your desktop. This means that while you're actively typing away on your computer, your phone won't be buzzing in your pocket for every single message. It helps to keep things a lot quieter and focused. Finally, let's talk about establishing a notification schedule. This is really useful for managing your work-life balance. You're going to want to set up your off-hours schedule so notifications are automatically paused during evenings, weekends, or for those specific blocks of focus time when you really need to get things done. It's simple, but it can make a huge difference in how you manage your time and priorities. Just think about how much more relaxing your personal downtime can be when you're not interrupted by work notifications. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can customize your Slack notifications to fit your needs perfectly. Whether you're looking to cut down on distractions or maintain a healthy work-life balance, these settings can really enhance your experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance customizing your Slack notifications, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful.